I'd like to sincerely congratulate the people and government of People's Republic of China for 50th anniversary of a lawful restoration of PRC to the United Nations. The United Nations became universal with the admittance of China into the United Nations. And during last 50 years, China has made remarkable contributions, not only for their own economic and political development, but also global development and global peace and harmony. And that I really appreciate. These were possible only with the strong leadership and involvement of People's Republic of China under the leadership of His Excellency President Xi Jinping. That is what I am very much grateful. But it is only natural that I and the people around the world expect that China will continue to provide such leadership. I think in this world, we are living in a small planet Earth. The national boundaries do not mean much. With the transformative development of science and technology, communication, transportation, we have one planet, one humankind, and one future. These are three areas we are living as one. This is a very important concept which President Xi Jinping has declared to the world. For that possible, we need to work together. The multilateralism is very important.